In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Barclays bank statements online. So here I am on the app and I'm going to get a statement from the app. Now, first what you need to do is obviously log into your account. Once you've done that, go to More in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can go to Settings and go ahead and click on Statement/Letter Preferences. Now, if you're still getting statements in the mail, you can change this to only online statements. So here, if you go ahead and choose your bank, which will be at the bottom, and click Edit, if you then scroll down, you'll be able to see the delivery method. So you can change it from in person to online only. And obviously you can change the frequency as well. Once you've done that, make sure that you scroll down and click Save Preferences, and that will update your preferences. You can then click Close in the top right hand corner. After we've done that, we'll go back, and here under the More section in the bottom right hand corner, you can see the More button. You'll then be able to see Statements and Documents. Click on that and then choose a month, or just choose a statement available. It will then load up that statement, which obviously is going to be blurred, but if you wanted to download it, you click on the button in the top right hand corner, and then if you scroll down on iPhone, click Save to Files, and you can then save it to any location on your phone.